Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to keep the ball up in Rocket League. Mastering aerial control is crucial for advanced gameplay. You need to understand how the ball moves and how your car interacts with it in the air. Focus on consistent, controlled touches rather than just hitting the ball hard. Practice adjusting your car's angle midair to ensure precise contact, which is key for maintaining possession and setting up plays. This foundational understanding will elevate your aerial game significantly. To truly keep the ball up, you must master aerial mechanics. Utilize air roll to precisely orient your car, allowing for optimal contact with the ball. Strategic boosting is essential. Use it in short bursts to reach the ball at its peak height. Don't forget the double jump for an initial burst of elevation and a more powerful first touch. Anticipating how the ball will bounce off walls and ceilings is also vital for continuous aerial plays, giving you a significant advantage. Once you have the basics down, explore advanced techniques to dominate the skies. Practice wall-to-air dribbles, where you carry the ball from the wall into an aerial play, maintaining possession. Learn ceiling shots, launching the ball from the ceiling for unexpected attacks. Master air dribbles by matching the ball's speed and direction, keeping it glued to your car. Developing soft touches is also crucial for setting up future aerial opportunities, giving you more control over the game's pace. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of aerial mastery. Dedicate at least 15 minutes every day to free play, focusing solely on aerial maneuvers. Utilize custom training packs to target and refine specific skills, such as fast aerials or wall shots. Always aim to hit the ball with the nose of your car for maximum power and accuracy. Finally, review your replays to identify areas where your aerial control can be improved, turning weaknesses into strengths.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.